Hey YouTubers, Darren here from Grass Ranch Garage. Alright guys, and if you just have to have OEM, the OEM part number is 130794. Now let's go ahead and get this new assembly bolted onto that mower deck. Alright guys, before we put this back together, I'm going to put some anti-seize on the bolts that hold the spindle to the mower deck housing, just to try to prevent it from sticking again and breaking off the bolts in case we ever have to remove it again. Okay, we're going to take our new spindle housing assembly and we're going to take this ring and place it over top of it just like it was on the old one. We're going to line up the holes so that they match, and then we're going to reinstall it on the mower. You guys see the holes? Now we're going to take the spindle housing assembly and ring and place it through the opening in the deck like so. Then we're going to line up the holes and place our bolts through them. Once everything is lined up correctly, it should bolt right into place. Now we want to go ahead and remove this pulley nut. Making sure our spacer is still there, and it is. Then we want to line the splines up on the pulley hole with the splines on the shaft. Then tighten everything up. Don't forget to put some never seize on the spindle threads. And now you can reattach your blade brake spring to its perch. Now you can place your belt back around the spindle pulley. Simply take your belt around the pulley, open the brake, slide it in underneath, around this idler, and then pull it straight out. And that's how your belt should be routed. And you guessed it, now it's time to put the blade on. So remove this blade bolt on the bottom of your spindle. And now would be a good time also, since the deck is off, to clean all this excess grass off, which I will do before I slide it back under the mower. Lining up the hole on the blade to the spindle shaft. Install your blade on your mower, then reinsert your blade bolt. If you'd like, you could also put never seize on the blade bolt. It wouldn't hurt. And that's it, guys. Installation to the deck is the exact opposite of removal. And that's it, guys. That's how you remove and reinstall your deck and change the spindle housing assembly on an AYP branded mower. Now y'all get out there, enjoy your weekend. Take care now.